Hello everyone, it's Olivia. Today I'm drawing and painting a Christmas tree with different colours. Let's draw and paint them together. I love drawing and painting so much. Let's colour. Pink. Green. Yellow. Red. And brown. Look, this Christmas tree looks so colourful. Let's make another drawing. Hello friends, it's Olivia. Today I'm drawing a Christmas winter house in very easy steps. First, I'm draw the outline. Please try to draw with me. I love drawing and painting so much. Let's draw the window. Now I'm drawing the door of a house. Draw a heart. There are many more easy drawings in this video, so watch this video till the end. Also subscribe this channel. It's coloring time. Pink. Yellow. Sky blue. Red. Green. And brown. Wow, this Christmas house drawing looks so amazing.